feature strictly for kids. Today we're going to do some more unboxing. But then one thing I have to say before all. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that small bell next to it to stay tuned with my new games and toys unboxing. Today we have here a Shifu Orboot. Let's see here. I don't know if it's an ordinary globe or if it's something special. Whoa! It's like a type of phone. If you have a phone, iPhone 6 or above, or a 3 GB RAM Android device, you can make the globe come to life. Once the company my father's working for, Srimati, put this ad on newspaper. On Christmas, it was a really good ad. And please do visit Srimati if you want some beautiful sarees. But then one time they made this special thing called Augmented reality. There was this app on the phone. If you installed it and showed it over the news article, you could see the picture moving, and it would be like a preview ad. And Bina Content was giving a speech on Christmas, and it was really good. So the same thing here. So I'll tell you how to download the app. Install the Orboot app from Google Play Store or Apple Store for free. Scan the Orboot Globe with your device. Enjoy the AR ride. So I love augmented reality, and this is made by Shifu, and it's a really good company. As you can see, Shifu. So let's unbox this. So, here's the next one. Whoa! Your Orboot. Let's say it's our Orboot. This is a stamp, I think. I think the stamp has run out of ink. Or maybe it's not this type of stamp. Maybe it's the stamp for that. Yeah, I think I spoiled it. Be careful. Here we have it. Where's the stand for it? Yeah, stand is inside. We have the globe. Let's close this. Okay, let's take this out. Let's see. Wow, it's huge. The first thing I say, it's huge. I can't believe they put something informative into technology. That's something really smart. And that's actually a good idea. So let's set this up. And then the stand and the globe. So let's tie the stand to the globe. Around the world, around the world, around the world. Yes, we have it here, the globe. It's a standard globe, and it shows like all the capitals of the country, and I'll show India. Here's India. It shows Kathakali here, Kathakali. And over here shows Dubai, Egypt, North America, Japan. So let's now get into the real stuff. Could you give me the phone, Papa? So install the app and set it up. First we'll say which language, then it will ask a question in math, like very hard questions, like 5 times 3 plus 4 and all. It's pretty easy for me. Then after that, it will ask for your parents' email, name, grade, and your profiles. You can make many profiles like Netflix. So over here, then you have set up, it had some downloading, it just now got over, and we have a camera here. It took like 3 minutes. First thing we should do is scan an object. I'm going to go for my Kerala.
Kathakali, storytelling through dance. Diwali, Festival of Lights. Vada pav and samosa, your go-to savory bites. Be it morning or evening, if you're looking to fill up your tummy with a little snack, chances are you will end up eating vada pav or samosa.
I'm the Bengal tiger from India. Nice to meet you. I am the largest member of the cat family. I'm known for my strength and power.
Petronas Twin Towers, the icon of Malaysia. Let's find out more. Tap acai berries.
Moambe stew, a must-have in Congo. The mouth-watering moambe or mwambe is a traditional African stew.
Hey friends, you and I are so much alike.
Wow, this app is so awesome. That was a globe. There's one more section so there is the Q&A, or I'm going to answer it. How tall is the largest Moai statue? 30 feet, 40 feet, 20 feet, 50 feet, 40 feet. 30 feet. I tried 40 feet, then 30 feet. So the tallest Moai statue is 30 feet. So that wraps it up, and I love this. You should really try this out. If you're learning geography, if you're learning about the earth and all its locations, cultures, everything, this could help you a lot. And that too, it combines technology with real life. So this is augmented reality, and I really love this. Let me check with something else. I didn't know this was a thing. Whoa! So that's where the stamp was for. There's a passport over here. There's only one passport. Now I have two passports. So you can write all your information here. And it's like a small passport. So whenever you go somewhere, you can just write about it. So there's a guide on how to play, how to assemble everything. And here, there are these small tickets, these boarding tickets. You can see here the boarding tickets. And there are these different type of countries, like this, flags. And I really love this. So let's try stamping this. Look at me. So where do I keep the stamp? I think it's here. It actually works. So thank you for watching Jam with Kicha. So see you next time, boys and girls. And I love this. So don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for awesome unboxings on games and toys. So bye, boys and girls. This is Jam with Kicha, strictly for kids.